Cue the drum roll. Here's a quick fun fact. Did you know that installing solar panels could turn your roof into an eco-warrior, all while saving your hard-earned cash? It's like a green cape for your house. But wait, there are a few things to consider before you let your roof join the solar panel superheroes. Firstly, the strength of your roof. Can it bear the weight of these panels? Secondly, the orientation. North facing in the north hemisphere, south facing in the south. It's like a compass for your roof. Now let's talk about the tilt. A 30-degree angle is the sweet spot for maximum sun absorption. Lastly, shading. Trees might be great for tree houses, but they're not so friendly to solar panels. Remember, your roof isn't just a hat for your house, it's a potential powerhouse. So make sure to give it the right tools. If you found this fun fact interesting, be sure to give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe for more. Brought to you by RonOvations. Reach us on 647 760, 7663, or at www.ronovations.ca. Until next time, folks.